Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. The last video we have discussed about what? Yes, measurement and physical quantities. Then the types of physical quantities. These we have discussed. Okay. So today we are going to discussing the unit area and its measurement. What? Area and its measurement. Okay. So these all things we are learning in 6th class. Area. What is area? Do you remember? Yes, that's right. That is area. What? The amount of surface occupied by an object or a place is called its area. So what is area? The amount of surface occupied by an object. The amount of surface occupied by an object or a place is called what? Its area. Okay. So, what is the area of this board? How can you calculate? And the wall. Area of the board we can calculate. Just take some papers. Okay, newspapers, and cover it. Keep the newspapers on the board. So you will get maybe the 2 papers. Okay, 2 sheets of papers. So that is the area of this board. In case of wall, keep the papers on the wall and count it. So we will get the area of that wall also. Okay. Here the area of the board and the wall. Which one is more? The wall is more than the board. Yes. Now we are going to discussing the unit of area. What is the unit of area? The unit of area is the square meter or meter representing the meter square. Okay. So the SI unit of area, that is what the square meter, that representing the letter meter square. Okay. Yes. And some multiples of standard units also there. Otherwise, how can we calculate? We need the submultiples and the multiples of standard unit also. So what are the submultiples of standard unit? So the small area we need to calculate. Sometimes we need to calculate the small area. So we need some standard units. Okay. So that is the submultiples of standard unit of area, that is millimeter square, centimeter square, decimeter square. These are some submultiples of standard unit of area. Okay. And the next is multiples of standard unit of area. What are the multiples of standard unit of area? Multiples means it is a little bit bigger than the submultiples. Okay. Sometimes we need to find the area of the plot or city, etc. So we need what little bit bigger unit. So that is what multiples of standard unit. 1 arc is the surface area of a square. Each side is equal to 10 meter. Each side is equal to 10 meter. 1 arc, that is equal to that side. Okay, all side, that is equal to 10 meter. So for measuring bigger area, such as the plots and the states, cities, like this meter square is very small for what? Finding the area of that plot and cities. So we need a bigger unit, that is as, such as hectare and square kilometer is used. Okay. 1 r is the surface area of square whose side is equal to how much? 10 meter. So 1 r equal to 10 meter multiply 10 meter, so we will get 100 meter square, or 1 meter square equal to 1 by 100 r. So that is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 r. Okay. Similarly, 1 hectare, that is equal to 100 r. Okay. 1 hectare, that is equal to 100 r. 100 r means 400 multiply 100 meter square. 100 multiply 100 meter square equal to 10 raised to 4 meter square. Otherwise, we can able to write 1 meter square equal to 10 raised to minus 4 hectare. Okay. 1 meter square equal to 10 raised to minus 4 hectare. And next is for measuring the bigger area such as the country, district or a state. Okay. So we need a much more than, otherwise much bigger unit than this hectare or r. Because these are inconvenient for the, because these units are inconvenient units. Okay, these are inconvenient units. So we need much bigger than this unit. So which one we have to take? The bigger units are square kilometer. What? Square kilometer. Otherwise we have to written as kilometer square. Okay. Square kilometer is the bigger unit. Okay. Bigger unit are kilometer square. Square kilometer is written as kilometer square. Okay. Yes. 1 kilometer square is the surface area of a square whose each side is equal to 1 kilometer square. So square kilometer is a surface of whose each side is equal to 1 kilometer square. So 1 kilometer square, that's equal to 1000 meter multiply 1000 meter. Okay. So we will get how much? 10 lakh meter square. Square kilometer or kilometer square, that's equal to 10 lakh meter square. Okay. 10 lakh meter square. So 1 kilometer square, that's equal to 100 hectares. 1 kilometer square, that's equal to 100 hectares, which means 100 into 100 hours, that's equal to 10 raised to 4 hours. Okay, 10 raised to 4 hours. So these are the multiples of standard unit of area. So what are the multiples of standard unit of area? One is hectare, hours. Then next is bigger unit, that is square kilometer. It's written as how kilometer square. Okay, clear? Yes. So what are the formula for calculating the some regular surface? If you know. Okay. Square, side into side, the area of the square, side into side. So that's equal to a square. Okay, side into side, that's equal to a square. And rectangle, the area of the rectangle, that is L into B, length into breadth, length into breadth. Okay. And triangle, area of the triangle, that is half multiply B multiply H, half BH, B for base and height. Okay. And circle, pi r square, pi r square, r is the radius. And next is cylinder, area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h, r is the radius and h is the height. And next is sphere, 4 pi r square, r for radius. Okay. So these are some formulas for calculating the surface area. Once again, square, a square, and rectangular LB. Okay. And triangle, that is half BH, and circle pi r square, and cylinder, that is 2 pi rh, and sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So these are some equations for calculating the surface area. Okay, so how can you calculate the irregular surface area? Example for leaf. How can you calculate the surface area of leaf? Yes, we have already learned these things in the 6th class with the help of graph paper. Which graph paper? Millimeter graph paper or centimeter graph paper. So here we are going to take that word centimeter graph paper to calculate the irregular surface area of leaf. Okay. Now we are going to discussing what a measurement of area of an irregular flat surface. Okay. Suppose we want to find the area of the face of big leaf. Okay. Place the leaf flat on the centimeter graph paper like this. Okay. With the help of sharp pencil, you just make the outline of this leaf. Is it clear? Yes. And now you want to do that what? How many complete squares are inside the leaf? You want to count that. Here it is 20 full squares. Okay. And how many incomplete squares are here? That is 24. Okay. This marked one, that is incomplete, and this shaded one, that is complete squares. Okay. So complete square here it is 20 and incomplete squares are 24. Okay. So how can we calculate this? So here the incomplete square, that is 24. Okay. So this incomplete square, that is equal to what? Half square. Okay. That is not a full square, that is half square. Okay. So we will take half square. Okay. And area of the leaf. Suppose we have to take that what area of the leaf, that is centimeter square. What? Centimeter square. So number of complete squares. How much complete squares is here? 20. Okay. So 20 complete square and number of incomplete square multiply half. Okay. Number of incomplete square multiply half. So number of complete square, that is 20, and how much incomplete square? That is 24 multiply half, because we have already taken that incomplete square, that is half, that is equal to half square. Okay. So 24 multiply half, 1 by 2. So divide this, you will get how much? 12. Okay. So 20 plus 12, that's equal to how much? 32 centimeter square. So 32 centimeter square, that is the surface area of this leaf. Okay. So what is the surface area of this leaf? 32 centimeter square. Okay. So in this way we can able to find the area of irregular object. Okay. So today we have learned what? Area and units of area and submultiples of area, then multiples of area and some formulas and the irregular measurement of area of an irregular flat surface. Okay. So what is area? The amount of surface occupied by an object or a place is called what? Area. And what are the standard unit of area? Meter square. Square meter, that is written as meter square. Okay. And some submultiples also we have discussed. Yes, what are the submultiples? Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter. These are some multiples of what? Unit of area. What are the multiples of area? Yes, hectares, hours or kilometers. Okay, kilometer square. These are some multiples of area. Okay, and In this type, in this way, with the help of centimeter graph paper or millimeter graph paper, we can able to find the regular surface areas also in this method. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay, thank you.